Hello and welcome guys to the new episode of our podcast 90 plus 3. How are you guys doing this week?
Good, doing good. Apart from United losing, it's been a good week. Yeah, how about you, Ayush? How are you doing?
I think our starting conversation has become like this. Apart from United losing, we have been doing good. I've been moving around in my new apartment, so it's a struggle moving to a new country. That is, I think, more of a struggle to me. So United losing is not affecting me that much because I'm preoccupied with something else,
Yeah, good for you.
which is a good thing, I think.
It is a good thing.
It is a good thing, and but I'll tell you a bad thing. So let's start with the first match in the Big Six section. Watford versus Liverpool. Liverpool are looking like one of the contenders for me now. At first, I was just speculating that they might have him, but now I saw the match full from the first minute to the end, and they were. I think I don't know. They were playing very well. They were playing like the old Liverpool, which I and Salah is. I don't know what he's become. He's become like I don't know.
On a
Go
different
bolo,
level.
he all he take over. Yeah.
No, because I think Salah is like a player. He's not like other players. जो मतलब कभी-कभी सिर्फ anger से driven होते हैं. So what happens with those players is मतलब starting बहुत motivation होता है, but after 1 or 2 years they start dimming down because वो motivation चला जाता है, सब कुछ achieve कर लिया है. साला इज काइंड ऑफ अ प्लेयर इज वेरी फेथ बहुत है उसका मतलब गॉड वर्ड पे तो फिर और मतलब भाई
तो उसमें ना
एफर्ट
उसमें एकदम बढ़िया मतलब बोलते हैं ना वो जो राइट काइंड ऑफ एरोगेंस है वो दिख रहा है उसमें कि मतलब he knows he's too good but it's not that he's become being cocky about it. He knows he's too good. He knows he has come at that level and he's performing and delivering and he's enjoying it. Like you can see it from his face.
एग्जैक्टली क्वाइट कॉन्फिडेंस होता है ना कि मतलब उसको ही डजंट हैव टू बी कॉकी मतलब आके बोलेगा नहीं कि मैं बेस्ट प्लेयर इन द वर्ल्ड बहुत सही स्वीट स्पॉट पे है वो तो लिवरपूल इज प्लेइंग वेल यस आई हैव टू गिव क्रेडिट टू यू for predicting it this early but it's still too early for a title race to say कि City Chelsea Liverpool के बीच but yeah let's see it's been tough this week for United मैं हर तब तक conversation में वही बोलने वाला हूँ Ayush what do you think Liverpool doing
I saw the match as well. Liverpool are playing amazingly well. Fun facts, I think there were conjectures that Salah and Mane don't go together, but the first goal, if you see, I think they were like they have been playing together since childhood. The players who were injury prone, they're not injury prone anymore. I feel Naby Keita has played 3-4 matches. Matip is playing matches regularly. So there were issues with Liverpool that their player was getting injured. There were conflicts and all these things. You don't see that anymore. Plus, I think Mohamed Salah, as you clearly guys pointed out, he's probably the alongside Benzema, he's the best striker at the moment currently in the world.
Yeah.
What about Firmino? What about Firmino? Have you changed your opinion about Firmino?
In this match, if you see the chat also, when I mentioned, Firmino was playing like
I was going to reply to you, but then I thought that it would be better if I asked you this question on this one. That's why I didn't reply you there.
He was playing like a number 9, how I expect him should be.
9. No, he was still topping game. He was still doing the same thing, but today
he was finishing. He was there in the position where you need your striker to be to finish off those things, which is what I was glad.
He keeps roaming. He keeps dropping deep also. But yeah, this was a very good thing because he got all the tap-ins at his feet, to convert. So he was kind of lucky also.
Lucky, but positioning. You have to give positioning also. If it were lucky, these tap-ins, then Higuain would have never played for the Argentina team. I'm just giving an analogy.
If you would have converted, then Argentina would have been.
I'm just giving an analogy, but positioning is a very important thing for a striker.
Yeah, absolutely. So yeah, that was a very good game. Liverpool 5 goals. I think Watford. Every time they face Watford, we know we have to in FPL terms we have to keep Salah the captain. I think all of us have Salah as captain. So
yes.
I cross-checked that. So that's a good thing.
People thought about Lukaku, but Brentford is like a very tough fixture. So Salah is
like my god. Good. Moving on to the next match. I was going to ask about Brentford versus Chelsea. That was the second match, and I think we have to give a special mention to Mendy. But there's been a lot of talks about is he the best goalkeeper in the Premier League right now. So what do you guys think? You can go one by one.
Right now, yes, he is the best. Even when he signed, I thought Mendy was like a really good signing. Look at Kepa already. Even then, they signed Mendy. And Mendy came in and he kept, I remember a bunch of clean sheets, to be honest. And then Mendy has been a really good signing. Chelsea is doing well. Mendy's had some good saves. Brentford, almost, I don't know kitna acha khelta hai home pe. It's like a very difficult fixture. Anybody who goes to Brentford, getting a result out of
Yeah,
Brentford.
they almost could have had a point or even maybe won the match had it not been for Mendy. Ayush?
Chelsea were lucky enough to save this match. They shouldn't have won. Brentford were killing them. Mbuemo hit the post twice, and I think some of the saves Mendy just he saved one from his face. उसके मुंह पे लगा था भाई एक सेव. वो एक अपना मीम था ना जहाँ पे गोलकीपर मुंह पे खाता खाता खून हो जाता है. मेंडी वैसा था. Brentford at home, I am sure they are not easy. That is not an easy fixture.
In fact, Brentford at home मतलब Brentford ही फेवरेट रहेगा हमेशा मेरे को लग रहा है.
Brentford ही फेवरेट साइड है भाई. Chelsea को खा रहे थे वो लोग.
Also because this season the fans are also back, it creates a atmosphere like nothing else. Right? Yeah. Suresh was saying something.
No, I also saw the stats. I did not see the game Brentford versus Chelsea. मैंने से highlights देखे बाद में, but I also saw इतने सारे shots face किए. मतलब बेंडी ने इतने सारे saves निकाले. बेंडी का I think कुछ वो भी था, बी कीपर करके ट्विटर पे डाला था, which was hilarious. I saw it and I was like, it was very funny. Yeah, Brentford is a difficult fixture. Chelsea was lucky, but you know they are getting I'm getting a little worried because they are getting those wins. वो champions के होते हैं ना. You start seeing those traits ना.
Which you were saying about United.
Yeah,
मैं भी यही बोलने जा
probably not in game week 9 में नहीं, but game week 18, 19, 20 पे जब City last year कर रहा था.
Correct.
They get those wins. और Chelsea को मिल रहे हैं. I'm like a little worried about Chelsea. I'm still not writing anybody off, not writing Liverpool off, City off, not even United off. It's been difficult. We'll get to it, but yeah, Brentford difficult, Chelsea lucky. That's how I sum it up.
Yeah, so Brentford versus Chelsea was a very good game. Mendy saved Chelsea, and Brentford are a team to look out at whenever any team play them at home. Moving on to the next match, City versus Burnley. I think Pep KDB is getting back to his rhythm and his form. He scored a goal. I'm not saying because he scored a goal he's becoming a player in form, but slowly he's getting back. He's getting the minutes and he's again coming into the team. Ayush, what do you think about City right now?
You see KDB at City looks like a cool Dadaji. He's playing around with the boys and like, हाँ मैं ये मार दूंगा, ये दे दूंगा, ऐसे करके जा तू खेल. If you look at that, the goal also he scored. He was like, okay, scored a goal, चलो खत्म, दूसरा करते हैं. So KDB is that sort of player which brings, I think, the confidence and arrogance. The good part of arrogance, as you mentioned about Salah, he brings that about City. Even when you say their mainstay Diaz wasn't playing, मेरे को FPL में लगा वो. But Diaz didn't start now, which is surprising. And they still kept a clean sheet. Again, Burnley is a slightly easy fixture, but ठीक है. इस बार बस difference क्या है कि 2 गोल मारे 5 की जगह City ने.
Yeah, exactly. I was expecting a hampering considering they are playing at home to Burnley, and last time also they had a final or something.
Final. 2-3 साल से final हो रहा है.
Final, yeah.
और De Bruyne, Ayush is saying the right thing. De Bruyne is like इतना settled, इतना freely खेलता है. It's like he's playing effortlessly. उसको कुछ बोलने की जरूरत नहीं उसको. और he's so ingrained in Pep's tactics right now कि उसके instructions भी I don't think उसको instructions देता होगा Pep anymore. Because
enabler है ना, he's an enabler. He doesn't need to be told what to.
वो FIFA पे free roam है ना, वो डाल दिया De Bruyne पे basically. और बहुत ही
बहुत अच्छा लगता है. बहुत सही एकदम बोला. Free roam है and he knows his shit and he'll get in other players or he will score eventually. But considering his fit, which he's looking up because he didn't do the surgery for मतलब उसको जो कराना चाहिए था Euros के लिए, he didn't do it, and then now but he's slowly coming back to the old form. Let's see how that goes.
Yeah, usual business for City, I think.
Yeah, I think this is more or less we've covered the 3 teams, which can bring us to the next few Chakma of the week. Leicester versus United. So I don't think I have to put in questions for this one. Maybe if you guys can start. Ayush, what do you think are the problems, what went wrong and stuff, and at the end of everything you have to say Ole in or Ole out. But I think this
problem, I think
that
everyone is looking out of sorts somehow. So it's not looking like a team of 11. It's looking like 11 players who are playing, but it's not looking like a team. It's a team of ones, not a team of 11. That is the problem, which I think. Multiple problems that can be pointed out, but it's nothing new which we are struggling to find here. If you see, मैं बोलता हूँ Pogba को नहीं खिला सकते midfield में. Matic बहुत बूढ़ा है. In fact, Matic is the only partner that can play with Pogba at United, I feel. But Matic is too old to cover.
It was a good lineup. You said it was a good lineup when you saw the lineup.
Yeah. I really like the lineup because I will play Matic with Pogba because he is the only CDM that we have, I feel.
When that you saw one game, Fred was not playing with Matic either, or
Away game, na?
what was
Away.
McTominay and what happened? Yeah.
If you remember my previous conversation, मैंने बोला था ये जो है McTominay
Away पे
away
चलता
games
है।
के लिए perfect है, because then you have to go against the crowd and against the home team. तो उसके लिए सही है। यहाँ पे problem क्या हुआ, लेस्टर midfield बहुत they were fast, they were मतलब बहुत तेज थे वो लोग, तो उसके लिए I think Matic wasn't able to cover up for Pogba and Maguire। तो मुझे लगता है 4 गोल में से 3 गोल Maguire के वजह सोने की वजह से ही पड़े होंगे।
नहीं, Matic यार, even last season I told कि the places that required reinforcement were like DM, which is like we need a younger version of Matic. We needed a right wing, we signed Sancho, probably a striker and a centre back. Centre back Varane sign किया, striker Ronaldo sign किया, तो DM खाली बच गया, और वो it is costing us a lot क्योंकि Matic doesn't have the legs anymore to run like a, he's 31, 32 I guess, and he cannot run anymore like a 27, 26-year-old. So it is costing us. Second, Maguire was at fault. He was looking out of sorts, like I just said. वो तो true ही है. We saw Twitter पे.
Because of the hostile environment, going back to Leicester may be playing a point there.
हो सकता है,
Plus
but
not trained enough यार, उसने आए ट्रेनिंग भी नहीं किया, फ्राइडे को इंजरी से आया था, सैटरडे को डाल दिया, तो that is also on the manager। मतलब मैं
that is, yeah, ये मैं agree करूँगा।
he shouldn't have played actually.
Yeah, he shouldn't have played. बाई को खेलना चाहिए था। कि I've listened to a couple of fan cams also on Stratford Paddock, अपना वो दूसरा चैनल है, तो वो लोग भी यही बोल रहे थे कि भाई बाई को खिलाना चाहिए था। I agreed with that. Even though Maguire is like the first choice, but वो fit नहीं था, तो he should not have played. Secondly, 1-0 हुआ, Greenwood एक मस्त गोल मारा, they scored another, वो फिर lapse of क्या बोलते हैं, lapse of concentration से अपन ने भी एक गोल खाया, 1-1 हुआ, and then the heads just dropped बे, पता नहीं half time के बाद जैसे निकले, their heads just dropped, फिर वो लोग ने एक गोल मारा, we equalized, and then 3-2 equalize करने में भी थोड़ा सा I celebrated, I thought कि okay, we can go for the win. And it was a good game also. As an aside, it's a good game also. But yeah, 3-2, 4-2, it was like really disheartening watching those goals. Seriously. Like,
The fun fact वो लेस्टर क्या 6-7 गेम्स में जीते ही नहीं थे वे, हमारे अगेंस्ट आके वो सिटी जैसे खेलने लगे थे।
So it's like doubt.
And I think this match is a problem for everyone, सिर्फ मैनेजर नहीं, प्लेयर्स भी, because हमने जो गोल खाए वो हमारी गलती की वजह से ही है। क्या उसने मल्टीपल जो भी तू देखेगा जहां पे भी गोल, बट वी कंसीडेड, पर ऑल आर फॉल्ट्स। वहां पे जाके प्लेयर को आने दिया, गोल पड़ गया, सामने खड़ा 5 डिफेंडर है, उसको बार्डी को मारने दिया, मैगवायर के बाजू से पैटसन डाका ने डाका मारा, उसके बाजू से भाग के गया वो।
नहीं मैं वो तो बोल रहा हूँ, इट्स like I said in previous weeks, vibes थोड़ा सा है and confidence थोड़ा सा मैटर करता है इस टीम को, और मतलब अभी heads down होते हैं ना, तो यार कोलैप्स कितना जल्दी हुआ। I also remember noticing कि अपना टीम पूरा ना पीछे बैठ गया था एक टाइम के बाद। It's like they were attacking and we were letting them attack. ऐसा नहीं कि we had a plan to like get forward. So and इस टाइम पे I'll say कि the doubts that people are having about Ole is like, I can say it's valid. I still believe that, I'll always keep saying कि मैं believe करता हूँ Ole में, but doubts भी थोड़े I can say कि अभी valid हो जाएंगे यार, क्योंकि pressure आ रहा है।
Do you also believe the same?
इट्स लाइक अ टिकिंग बॉम्ब एक्चुअली, और वो टिकिंग बॉम्ब में क्या है कि पहला टिक लग गया लेस्टर के अगेंस्ट, बट मैं फिर भी आई तो वांट हिम टू सक्सीड, बिकॉज as I think Suresh will also agree, what progress we have seen in all these years from the football that we love, we have gotten back. But maybe जाने का तू 2-3 एपिसोड पहले देखेगा तो मैंने एक क्वेश्चन उठाया था जो मेरे को पूछा गया था, is Ole out of his depth now?
Yeah, I was going to question this only, that Ole has done whatever he has done, he's done a brilliant job and stuff. But I saw a very fascinating comparison on Twitter with Chelsea. So it was the same, like is this the level that he could have taken the team to, and now the team is I'm not saying he's a proper manager, but a experienced manager to take this team forward and win the title. So do you think the same?
That's a difficult question. मतलब इस वक्त पे the way you're asking this question at this moment, now it's difficult to answer. But I believe
it's about perspective, correct? But since it was brought up on Twitter, I thought I'd ask you.
No, that's okay. But I'm just answering the question in a way कि मतलब इस moment पे ना it's so difficult to remember the times कि ओले ने कितना अच्छा किया है, because it's been bad, bro. अपन ने West Ham से, I think West Ham से हारे, Young Boys से हारे, फिर क्या किसी और से भी हारे थे ना, एक और विला से भी हारे, and then Everton से ड्रॉ किया, and Leicester से भी हारे, तो it's a really bad period, it's tough, and I मतलब I can only imagine कि ओले पे कितना टफ होगा ब्रो इस टाइम पे। बट पहले भी प्रूव किया हम लोग ने कि जब एक बार रन स्टार्ट होता है ना, वी टर्न अराउंड वन कॉर्नर एंड देन वी स्टार्ट गोइंग, एंड आई कैन नॉट पिन पॉइंट द प्रॉब्लम्स ऑनेस्टली ना, मुझे इतना वो लग रहा है ना कि आई कैन नॉट पिन पॉइंट द प्रॉब्लम एग्जैक्टली क्या है। लोग बोलते हैं कि टैक्टिक्स प्रॉब्लम है, कि कुछ टैक्टिक्स नहीं, वी डोंट हैव अ प्लान, बट honestly पहले भी ऐसा हुआ है, we did not exactly have a tactics plan, but तभी लोग ना pinpoint नहीं करते थे because everything was going good. कोई ना कोई गोल मार दे रहा है, कुछ ना कुछ हो जा रहा है. So yeah, I'm not turning a blind eye to the problems, but it's just difficult to pinpoint कि confidence exactly कहाँ से lack कर रहा है and how will they bounce back. It's a worrying time for United, but yeah, believe करना पड़ेगा.
I think United अभी अटलांटा, लिवरपूल और सिटी वाला मैच तो ड्रॉ जीतेंगे अपन, क्योंकि मैं जा रहा हूँ. फिर I think वहां से it will be, let's these game fast, because it will be a knee jerk reaction which I don't want. अभी तक सपोर्ट किया है तो आई विल स्टिल सपोर्ट हिम, बट अगर यहाँ पे हम हारेंगे, क्योंकि यहाँ पे टफ रन ऑफ फिक्चर्स है, लिवरपूल है, फिर स्पर्स है, फिर सिटी है, ये तीनों हारेंगे तो अपन बहुत पीछे चले जाएंगे. तब आई थिंक एज आई मेंशन कि वो एक टिकिंग बॉम्ब है, और पहला टिक लग गया है लेस्टर के अगेंस्ट हार के.
Ticking bomb, I wouldn't like it something like that. Yeah. I hope it's not a ticking bomb. I hope something happens.
बट द प्रॉब्लम इज कि अपने पास कोई ऐसा दूसरा ऑल्टरनेटिव नहीं है. मैंने 2-3 जगह कॉन्टे पढ़ा, मैंने जिडान पढ़ा, मैंने एक एरिक टैंग हैक का भी पढ़ लिया हुआ एक्स वाले का.
ये बुरी आदत है यार, मतलब रिलेशनशिप छोड़ते टाइम तो ऑलरेडी सोचते लगता है कि अगली गर्लफ्रेंड कौन है तेरी. ये सही नहीं है यार.
एग्जैक्टली. क्या बोलूं अभी मैं तो चाहता हूँ कि अभी एटलीस्ट मेरे को ऐसा पहला एक्सपीरियंस डिप्रेसिंग ना मिले, तो मैं चाहता हूँ कि जीत जाए.
नहीं ब्रो, जीतेगी. Come on, believe.
So you're going for all the 3 matches, right?
अटलांटा, लिवरपूल एंड सिटी. बीच में एक स्पर्स अवे है, जो स्पर्स अवे भी देखूंगा, अगर मिला तो, नहीं मिला तो नहीं जाऊंगा. लंदन में हो.
Okay, but that's all. So how many points are you expecting? Are you expecting 9 out of 9, 7 out of 9, 6 out of 9?
I am expecting as a bias fan 9 out of 9, but to be realistic, I think we'll draw against Liverpool and win Atalanta and City.
I would agree.
So 7 out of 9.
Liverpool just purely because of the form. अगर इस form में नहीं रहते ना Liverpool, I would still predict कि हाँ Liverpool भी जीत लेते. But Atlanta win, City win, Liverpool draw. I would agree.
और लिवरपूल ड्रॉ भी मेरे को लगता है 0-0 ड्रॉ करा देंगे. बट द प्रॉब्लम दैट हमारी डिफेंस ऐसे मस्त इस फॉर्म में है ना, तो हमें लगता है कि 2-2 भी हो सकता है, ऐसा भी हो सकता है.
Bro,
okay.
Let's just predict a win. We need a win. If we don't win, by and people are, I'll honestly say मैं इतना देखता हूँ सोशल मीडिया, ज्यादा नहीं देखता, but United के पोस्ट देखता हूँ and comments I read. People are Ole out ना top 10 comments रहते हैं यार continuously, and it's like very worrying. Everybody's turn.
आयुष को सब पता है क्या चल रहा है.
आयुष का भी comment
अरे मुझे को सब पता है, मैं एक्सपर्ट है, मेरे को सब पता है. ओले आउट बहुत भाई, हर जगह जिसको देखो ना सब ओले आउट है. जो यहाँ पे जो मैं एक बताया था ना, एक लड़की जो रोज हर मैच जाती है, उसने भी लिख दिया है कि if things don't improve anymore now, I think it's time for a change.
नहीं.
I'll believe it when Suyash is.
No bro.
सुयश अभी नहीं, अभी तो सुयश फील करेगा सिटी के बाद. आई थिंक सिटी अगर हमने 9 में से 9
bro, but देख, I'll not turn a blind eye. I'm like believing में पूरा अपन ने नैया डुबा दी. बट अगर ये तीनों मैच हार जाते हैं ना, देन इट्स लाइक I'll have to rethink कि भाई क्या करना पड़ेगा सीरियसली. अगर ड्रॉ भी कर देते तो I'll be like okay, because Liverpool is tough, City is tough, Atlanta win, तो वो भी करते तो I'll still be okay, I'll be believing. But no, तीनों losses and I'll be in a worried state of mind.
So worst case is 5 out of 9. And then best is 9 out of 9. And anything about 5 and 9.
अटलांटा जीतेंगे. मैं जा रहा हूँ, पहला मैच तो डिप्रेसिंग नहीं, इसलिए अटलांटा सबसे पहले लिया मैंने.
हाँ यार.
Okay, that's
and what do you guys think? मतलब यार तुझे लगता क्या कि what will Ole say in the dressing room to change this run of fixtures that's gone?
I think he needs to. I think it's a very important factor. I don't know if you guys feel that, and it's not because I'm a Messi fan. I'm going to point this out. I think he if he has to share the job, he needs to know how to manage Ronaldo and know how to set expectations from him. Because we know he's going to bring in the goals, but because I feel it's not just with Ronaldo. I see Messi also in the big games. No, they can't be as free as they are usually in the other games. With a dominating, I can stand anywhere, and so he used to, give him a defined role, but I don't know if he can do that. So it's basically about how he manages, because I'm not saying he is only the guy who is going to take you ahead in terms of pressing and setting the team from the front. But थोड़ा मैन मैनेजमेंट मेरे को लग रहा है, अगर पावर स्ट्रगल हो गया ना कि मतलब एज अ पर्सनालिटी वो दबा देगा ओले को. So if you can manage and if you can overcome that, I think then a lot of things will get sorted, because he's the leader of the attack. He will you know, direct Greenwood how to play, whoever's playing Sancho how to play, and the others how we need service. But वो एक उसको ओवर पावर नहीं कर देना चाहिए, बोले को मतलब वही मैनेजर ना बन जाए इन गेम भी.
सही
वो
में
मुझे
थोड़ा
ऐसा लगता है बाहर से एज
नहीं नहीं
अ
नहीं,
हाउस.
you're right, क्योंकि मुझे भी थोड़ा सा लगता है कि थोड़ा सा प्रोहिबिटिव हो जाता है बाकी लोगों के लिए. It should have acted, it should have been in a positive way. I hope it will still be a positive signing, but
हाँ होगा,
कभी-कभी
मतलब
लगता है
थोड़ा
कि टाइम
disappointment,
लगेगा.
हाँ समझ सकते हैं because he's the level, he's at that
हाँ
expectation, वो level of player है, but it should not affect the team negatively कि भाई ये तो pick on कर
अलग
रहा
ही
है,
है.
ये तो अरे ये मेरे को ऐसा कर रहा है, सच बोल रहा है, मतलब एक
हाँ
बोल रहा होगा
I know.
आयुष.
मेरे को ठीक है यार, मैं तो लेस्टर के अगेंस्ट रोनाल्डो बहुत बेकार खेला था. इनफैक्ट आई एम थिंकिंग कि मुझे लगता है ग्रीनवुड इज आउटशाइनिंग हिम एवरी मैच. वो तो एक तो क्या गोल मारा भाई
तो
उसने,
ये
हाँ
ठीक है.
क्रेजी
उसको
दिया.
फर्क ही नहीं पड़ रहा है मेरे बाजू में रोनाल्डो खेला है. तो इनफैक्ट ये जो गोल के पहले वाला है, उसने एक और शॉट ट्राई किया था, तो वो रोनाल्डो उसके लिए खड़ा था, उसने देखा ही नहीं, उसकी तरफ सीधा बजा दिया उसने.
नहीं गिलमोर क्या सही है.
So I think that factor needs to balance, क्योंकि नई टीम है, बराबर है, रोनाल्डो आया है, सैंचो भी नया आया है and stuff. Greenwood is also a young player. So attacking wise, and because you guys have to challenge also, so how to set that expectation and roles and how to, you know, make them gel as a unit, वो थोड़ा देखना पड़ेगा I
एग्जैक्टली
think.
क्योंकि लास्ट ईयर भी
हाँ.
उन्होंने बहुत ज्यादा अटैक में चेंज नहीं किया. इस बार उन्होंने सैंचो लाया है, रोनाल्डो लाया है, एंड दीज आर प्लेयर्स दैट यू हैव टू पुट इन द फर्स्ट 11 बिकॉज इफ यू डोंट, सोशल मीडिया प्रेशर डालेगा, लोग प्रेशर डालते हैं, बोर्ड प्रेशर डालेगा, बिकॉज साइनिंग्स किए इतने बड़े बड़े. तो
I think
and
also missing Varane also. I'm not saying he is now the main man in the defense because he's just been here, but
yeah,
वो रहता तो थोड़ा, he brings a level of calmness in the back
सीजन
line.
बदली है भाई. इंजरीज भी हुई,
मतलब
वैन बिसाका इंजर हुआ था, देन शॉ एक बार एक मैच के लिए हुआ था, बीच में फिर मैगवायर वरान पार्टनरशिप हुआ है. थिंग्स हैव बीन टफ ब्रो, इट हैज बीन टफ साइकोलॉजिकली भी. ओले पे बहुत वो फेस कर रहा होगा इस वक्त पे, बट आई होप वी गेट थ्रू मैन. ऑनेस्टली अटलांटा जा रहा है आयुष भाई, तेरे लिए मैं भी प्रार्थना करूंगा कि तू जाके गुड लक लाए, अपने लिए 3 पॉइंट्स लेके आए.
अटलांटा तो
yeah, I
जीतना
think
चाहिए यार.
जीतेंगे भाई.
it's a good segue. Let's hope that things change, turn around, and since you will be there, we'll try to put some snippets for either on Instagram or on YT as a separate video. We'll see if we can capture some good moments. Moving on to the other matches which were there in the week. So I think Villa versus Wolves was a very good game. 2-3. Wolves turned out to be winners. So we can talk about that as well as Southampton versus Leeds, because we expect on paper Leeds to win, but Southampton also, they're proving a stubborn side against Chelsea. Also, they had put in a good challenge until they had a red card and everything. So we can talk about those two games together.
हाँ नॉर्विच, मैं एक बोलूँगा नॉर्विच वर्सेस ब्राइटन में, मतलब इट्स इंप्रेसिव कि नॉर्विच पुल्ड आउट अ ड्रॉ, क्योंकि ब्राइटन से ड्रॉ तो फिर भी एक्सपेक्टेड है, बिकॉज ब्राइटन इज सॉलिड. मतलब ड्रॉ एंड अ क्लीन शीट इज एक्सपेक्टेड आउट ऑफ ब्राइटन दीस डेज बिकॉज दे प्ले रियली वेल. ग्रैंड पॉटर इज डूइंग रियली वेल, बट नॉर्विच could manage a draw. That's like impressive. That's all I'll have to say about that fixture. कि मतलब नॉर्विच कैसे कर लिया. I did not see the match, but it's just looking at Nilol, नॉर्विच के सामने it's like कर लिया भाई लोग ने, एक पॉइंट डाल लिया. एंड साउथहैम्पटन का गेम पता नहीं यार. लीड्स में आई थिंक बैमफोर्ड मिसिंग है ना. बैमफोर्ड इज नॉट प्लेइंग.
Bamford and Rafinha also, because he was there on the international duty.
हाँ तो लीड्स का थोड़ा हिलने का थोड़ा वो लग रहा है ब्रो इस सीजन, बिकॉज आई टोल्ड यू लास्ट सीजन
I think they'll bounce back eventually. Yeah.
they'll bounce back eventually, but yeah, they will not finish 11th or 12th. I think 14th, 15th.
Like they did last season. Correct. Absolutely.
Yeah.
Ayush?
I think
Villa versus Wolves.
Leeds are toothless without Rafinha and Bamford. मुझे नहीं लगता वो लोग कुछ करते हैं अगर Rafinha Bamford नहीं रहता उनके उसमें. वो ट्राई करते हैं, बट उनके जो प्रिसाइसिवनेस और वो जो अटैकिंग जो लास्ट टाइम था ना, वो ऐसा इस सीजन उन दोनों के, एक तो आई थिंक बैमफोर्ड वो अपनी वैसी सिंटिलेटिंग फॉर्म थी ना लास्ट ईयर की, अभी मेरे पास आया मैंने गोल मार दिया, वो भी नहीं है. प्लस राफिनिया भी नहीं था, तो दे लैक दैट वर्ल्ड क्लास लेवल उसमें जितना भी था. तो इसलिए आई थिंक साउथहैम्पटन वाला
Rafinha is becoming like a next level winger जो नहीं टिकेगा लीग में. ये भी
नहीं टिकेगा.
एक
अभी तू देख लिवरपूल पीछे पड़ने वाली नेक्स्ट सीजन.
and Brazil के फर्स्ट टीम में फिक्स हो गया अभी.
फर्स्ट हाँ, उसने क्या अभी 2 गोल भी मार दिए. गोल देखा तूने उसके ब्राजील का, वो एक एंड से दूसरे एंड टू एंड गोल मारा उसने जाके.
Rafinha needs to move to a team that suits his level of player. We've talked about this before also last year के podcast में कि players move करते हैं, but they do not see the level style of play that's going on. Rafinha needs to move in a team like Liverpool is perfect for him. High intensity है, वैसे भगाएगा, और परफेक्ट करेगा, and he'll go to the next level. But I wonder where he'll play because right wing साला ने लेके रखा हुआ है, left
अभी
wing
तो
माने ने लेके
impossible है.
रखा हुआ है.
he'll be the महंगा शकीरी, और क्या. शकीरी भी तो लिया था लिवरपूल ने,
But
वो
I think
क्या कर रहा था
नहीं, वो
बेचारा.
लिवरपूल नहीं जाएगा फिर अगर ऐसा है तो, क्योंकि भाई करियर और लीड में सही कर रहा है.
Let's see. Yeah, this season I don't think it's a chance, but I think at the end of the season, a lot of people will bid for him, will be looking for him if they have to strengthen that side because he's becoming like a very good player. मतलब वो he's very tricky. He has a end product also. पता नहीं, मतलब वो काफी अच्छा है. He's too good to be staying at Leeds. I think for other things we look at it that way. Yeah.
प्लस एस्टन विला वर्सेस वुल्व्स तो यार 10 मिनट में गेम अल्टी पल्टी किया है वुल्व्स ने आखिरी गेम. और अडामा ट्रेओरे अगर फुटबॉलर होता ना तो वो वर्ल्ड का बेस्ट प्लेयर बन सकता था. उसको सिर्फ बुल रेसिंग आती भाई. वो एक मेरे को लगता है सामने डिफेंडर उसको लाल लाल लेके चलते हैं और वो भागता है सिर्फ, और भागते समय से वो भागता है, उसको शूटिंग नहीं आती. उसने एक रन मारा था पूरा फील्ड से, पता नहीं कहाँ क्या 50 मीटर भाग के गया होगा और सीधा गोलकीपर के पैर पे बजा दिया.
ड्रिबलिंग भी डिसेंट है उसका,
end
तो है ही. एंड प्रोडक्ट नहीं है बट ऑनेस्टली मेरी एक्सपेक्ट टीम में अब तक पड़ा हुआ है बिकॉज़ आई एम नॉट एबल टू शिप हिम आउट. बट या
XG है, वो भी XG है, एक्सपेक्टेड ही है बस.
बट ब्रूनो लाग
और
डिजर्व्ड
रूबेन
इट.
नेवेस सही था यार. रूबेन नेवेस ने आखिरी के जो 2 गोल रूबेन नेवेस नहीं बनाए थे, तो आई थिंक रूबेन नेवेस टर्न्ड द गेम अराउंड इन द लास्ट 10 minutes.
Yeah, and Bruno Lage was mentioning he's
Bruno Lage is a really good manager. वो अच्छा खिला भी रहा था. Results जब मैनेजर अच्छा खिलाते हैं ना तो आप and you don't get results in 2 games, you know it's coming. Eventually it's coming because you see clearly कि भाई Bulls अच्छा खेल रहा है. So yeah, it was due. Bulls का जीतना was due. So yeah, well deserved.
So we are forgetting one game, the infamous takeover of Newcastle versus Spurs. They started off well. Wilson with the goal in the second minute. I thought they can do it, but then Spurs it's very random. I just put Kane and I'm very happy. He scored a goal, he gave an assist also.
So even so I think वो सुयश ने जो बताया था ना, एंडी करके जो भी था, तो उसने भी आई थिंक बोला था कि मैं तो रोनाल्डो को हटाने ही वाला था, पर मैंने कहा चल एक और दे देता हूँ लेस्टर के अगेंस्ट. बट वो फिर मिस्टेक हो गया. एंड आई थिंक न्यूकासल स्पर्स मैंने मैच भी देखा था. न्यूकासल वर प्लेइंग एंड टू एंड, तो मेरे को लगता है कि उसमें क्या नाम है उसके मैनेजर का, स्टीव ब्रूस ने मेरे को प्रेशर आया तो उसने बोला अब मैं खुल के खिलाऊंगा. बट वो खुलने के चक्कर में फिर वो 3 खा गया. वो 3 खा गए. और आई थिंक स्पर्स ने अच्छा किया था आज की. ऑल देयर अटैकिंग प्लेयर्स वर प्लेइंग वेरी वेल. एंडोम्बेले से लेके, इनफैक्ट आई थिंक एंडोम्बेले वोक अप टुडे. मुझे लगता था कि वो सोया रहता था. आज उसने, अगर तू देखेगा, उसने बहुत अच्छा खेला था. आई थिंक इट कैन बी हिज बेस्ट मैच टिल नाउ इन अ स्पर्स शर्ट. लूकास मोरा, सॉन, केन चारों बहुत अच्छा खेल रहे थे.
Yes.
मैं नहीं, I honestly did not see the match, but it's surprising कैसे एक मतलब टेकओवर से भी थोड़ा सा इम्पैक्ट पड़ता है, क्योंकि न्यूकासल स्टार्टेड ऑफ द गेम वेल लाइक यू सेड. हाँ, क्योंकि मैंने हाइलाइट्स देखा. बट इट्स सरप्राइजिंग कैसे बाउंस मिल जाता है. एक टेकओवर से भी इतना बाउंस मिल जाता है. मैनेजर तो चेंज भी नहीं हुआ है अभी. एंड आई एम श्योर मैनेजर को
नहीं, बट अब एक्सपेक्टेशन ही बढ़ गई ना. आई थिंक in the next 3-4 years we'll be talking about Newcastle in the same breath as maybe the top 6 teams. Not let's say next year, next 5 years at least. ये न्यूकासल है तो थोड़ा टाइम लगेगा. ऐसा नहीं कि
ओवरनाइट. 3 साल, यू आर राइट, 3 साल में हो जाएगा बिकॉज़ आजकल चीजें और भी जल्दी मूव कर रही है. तो
तेल का पैसा ब्रो, तेल का पैसा 2 साल में, मैं तो बोल रहा हूं 3 भी नहीं 2 साल में आ जाएगा.
सिटी भी 2008-9 में टेक ओवर होता ना, 2012 में ज़्यादा इसको दे रहे थे.
हाँ ऐसा ही कुछ था. आ जाएगा रे.
अब ट्रेंड चालू हो गया था पूरा 8-9 सीजन के बाद.
अभी तो देख, एलन सेन मैक्सिमम छोड़ के और उधर कैलम विल्सन छोड़ के पूरी टीम गायब होने वाली आगे.
Possible. So yeah, let's end it with, since we have one match remaining in this game week, let's end it with Arsenal versus Crystal Palace prediction, and then whatever you guys want to end it with. If you want to ask our viewers any kind, United specific or any team specific, you can do that. So I am asking basically the prediction for Arsenal versus Crystal Palace.
2-0. I'm guessing 2-0. I hope Saka scores because he's in my FPL. Nazar na lage. Yeah, 2-0 to Arsenal, and yeah, I think usual business for Arsenal because they're in a good run of form, and they'll keep going. They have some good fixtures upcoming as well. Arsenal is slowly climbing the table too, and Yeah, 2-0 for Arsenal.
स्नीक कर रहे थे, अंडर
Sneak
रेडार
कर
जा
रहे
रहे, बट धीरे ऊपर है। हाँ।
भाई you will not believe कि मुझे अभी ये भी फेयर होने लग गया है कि भाई यूनाइटेड से तो ऊपर ना आ जाए वो लोग धीरे धीरे। यूनाइटेड ऐसे हार रही है और लिवरपूल सिटी हार है ब्रो। या टफ टाइम्स।
आयुष,
I'll go for a 0-0 draw.
भाई
Arsenal Palace 0-0 draw होगा, पता नहीं, just gut feeling, because पैलेस भी यार मेरे को लगता है कि वो रोकने के इंटेंशन से ही जाएगा, और आर्सेनल में क्या है कि आर्सेनल में जब कोई सामने वाला, अपने जैसा ही प्रॉब्लम है रे, सामने वाला रोकने जाएगा तो वो रुक जाते हैं बेचारे, उनको आप तो है। आई होप, मतलब मैंने एमिल स्मिथ रो रखा है, बट मेरे को लगता है कि 0-0 ड्रॉ ही रहेगा।
अपने जैसा प्रॉब्लम है तो मोमेंटम विल कैरी देम थ्रू ना, मुझे ऐसा लग रहा है।
हाँ, बस मोमेंटम विल कैरी देम थ्रू आई थिंक, बट आई थिंक आई स्टिल गो फॉर अ 0-0 ड्रॉ इन दिस मैच।
देखते हैं। हाँ
you ask me, I'll also go for Arsenal because I have two players in Arsenal and they are in different conditions, right? So I would go for a 2-1 since I have Ben White and Saka and Zaha as well. So I take a 2-1. Yeah, but I feel Arsenal will win. That's the prediction I also have. So yeah, anything you guys want to end it with for our viewers? Any appeal or anything specific, like last time you said if you dislike Fred or if you hate Fred, you just like Fred. Then we got a lot, we got likes. We usually don't get likes, but we did get likes. So I think it was the Fred effect. So now if you want to leave a comment like that for our subscribers, you can go ahead.
Yeah, I'll just say I will ask a question कि जो देख रहे हैं would they be Ole in or Ole out? Simply ये पूछूंगा मैं। Second चीज, if you have any words of positivity for United, please put in the comments. Seriously, because everybody needs it, we need it. If you really believe in Ole, put in the comments. If you think I'm crazy about believing in him, just put in the comments. If you like our videos, please press like, please subscribe. It helps us, it motivates us to keep going, to keep putting videos every week, to keep hustling, keep grinding, even though we have busy schedules ourselves. Ayush, I know, I don't even
and
know.
We are in 3 different countries.
We're like, yeah, coordinating time zones. Ayush is going to go into the matches. I don't even know if he'll be here next week. If you guys are watching, if you like it, just press like, subscribe, and yeah, we'll keep putting videos out there. We'll get better also. हमेशा ऐसे quality का video नहीं रहने वाला है. We'll get better also.
Very well put. Yes, very well put. Ayush, you have to do something really well to better that.
I will not do that. I will say Suyash +1. I think guys, it's been nice talking about this football. So if you really like it, and you can give us a like and support and let us know
if you like football, you subscribe. If you have anything bad to say, then also subscribe. If you have anything better to say, then also subscribe, like, comment, share.
If you are Ole in, Ole out, then also subscribe.
Perfect. So guys, take care. Let's hope you have a good week against Atlanta, and then next week also the matches go in your favor since we are going. We'll try to see if we can put in some good videos. Ayush, you are in charge of that.
Jesse. Chalo, see you guys.
Bye guys.
Bye bye.